Is your After Effects running super slow? Does it lag while previewing, rendering, or even moving layers? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you easy and practical fixes to make After Effects faster in just a few minutes. Now, let's go through some steps to make After Effects faster. Clean disk cache. Go to Edit, Purge all memory and disk cache. After Effects saves temporary files, previews, and rendered frames in a disk cache folder to speed up your work. But over time, this folder becomes very large and messy with old and unnecessary files. When the cache is full or corrupted, After Effects has to search through thousands of files, and this is what causes slow performance. By cleaning cache, you are basically deleting junk files and giving After Effects a fresh, clean space to work in. Or you can also go to Preferences, Media and Disk Cache, Empty Disk Cache. This will immediately clear old files and speed up your software. You should delete these files frequently, especially after finishing a project, to keep your system running smoothly. Next, if you are not able to preview heavy After Effects project in real time, there is a simple trick you can try. Change the quality of the playback. Instead of using full resolution, you can switch to half, third, or even quarter resolution. This setting does not affect the final output. This will only make your preview much faster. The next option is to trim your existing composition. For example, if you are only using 3 seconds of footage, but your composition is 10 seconds long, there is no need to keep those extra 7 seconds. They are not useful and will only slow things down. Since we have enabled multi-frame rendering, After Effects may start rendering the entire composition in the background, including the unused part. To trim the composition, just right-click on the work area bar and select Trim Comp to Work Area. That's it. The composition will be cut to match the work area, which helps make previews and renders more efficient. The next option is to turn off motion blur or other heavy effects. Motion blur takes a lot of time to render. After Effects understands this, so they have provided a single switch to disable motion blur for all layers at once. This means you do not need to turn it off for each layer individually. Turning it off can drastically improve your preview performance. However, do not forget to turn it back on before you render your final project. The next step is to go to Edit, Preferences, Memory and Performance. Here you'll find the option RAM available for other applications, decrease memory for other applications, and give more RAM to After Effects. That gives After Effects more room to breathe. Below that, check for multi-frame rendering. Turn off multi-frame rendering if needed. In some systems, multi-frame rendering causes more lags. If this still does not work, of course, go ahead and close unnecessary background applications to free up CPU and RAM on your computer. Search the Task Manager and close down the apps that you're not using at the moment. Update your graphics card. Google your graphics card name and install the latest drivers. Also open up the Creative Cloud to see if After Effects requires a newer installation of drivers. After applying these steps, your After Effects speed will improve a lot. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more graphic design and animation tips.